Welcome to the Office of the Treasurer and Tax Collector's video on COVID-19 business tax and fee relief. Over the past year, the Mayor and Board of Supervisors have taken several actions to provide relief to San Francisco businesses to address the economic downturn related to COVID-19. This video will provide information on what businesses can expect regarding business tax deadlines, deferrals, and waivers as approved by the City and County of San Francisco, what relief you may be eligible for, and how to access it. All businesses are required to take action by April 30th, 2021 by either renewing their business registration or filing their business taxes. In a moment, I will review what determines the action your business needs to take. The following deadline extensions have been approved by the Mayor and the Board of Supervisors. The 2020-21 business registration renewal that was originally due on June 1st, 2020 is now due on April 30th, 2021. Business registration certificates previously issued will remain valid through the April 30th deadline. Annual business tax filings and payment for 2020 were originally due on March 1st, 2021, and are now due on April 30th, 2021. While not deferred, the 2021 first quarter estimated business tax payments are listed here for information purposes and are due on April 30th. Quarterly estimated payments will be based on your 2020 annual business tax returns filing and will be displayed in the payment portal within 24 hours of completing your filing. You may pay the lesser of the amount displayed or an amount equal to 25% of your business taxes due for 2021, which may be zero. 2 years of regulatory license fees due March 2020 and March 2021 are now due on November 1st, 2021. These are fees collected on behalf of the Department of Public Health, Fire Department, Police Department, Entertainment Commission, and the Office of Cannabis. Certificates will remain valid. The 2021-22 business registration renewal would usually be due this May 31st, 2021. Businesses with $25 million or less in San Francisco gross receipts will have the deadline deferred to November 1st, 2021. While businesses with more than $25 million in San Francisco gross receipts will have their deadline deferred to June 30th, 2021. Finally, the delinquency date for point of sale and weights of measures. Anything billed after March 2020 will now have a deadline of November 1st, 2021. The Mayor and Board of Supervisors have approved several tax and fee waivers to provide relief for certain businesses. First is a quick overview followed by specific details of who is eligible and how to access relief. Generally, if your business had to stop operation due to a San Francisco health order during the pandemic, or you're a restaurant, and you have $25 million or less in gross receipts, you will qualify for relief. If you qualify for relief, your business registration and regulatory license fees will be waived for 1 year. All businesses must take action by either renewing your business registration or by filing an annual business tax return to determine if you qualify for relief. Which action you take will depend on your business's gross receipts or payroll expense. Businesses with gross receipts of $1.2 million or less, or payroll expense of $320,000 or less, should renew their business registration. Businesses with gross receipts of more than $1.2 million or payroll expense of more than $320,000 should file their annual business tax returns. These deadlines do not typically fall on the same day and are not typically related to relief, so we understand that this might be confusing. Visit our website or call 311 for more information. However, our office will not be able to determine if you're eligible for relief unless you complete a renewal or file your annual business taxes. The sooner you file, the sooner our office will determine if you're eligible for relief. Our office has included questions in both the business registration renewal and annual business tax filings to determine if your business qualifies for this relief. When you renew your registration or file a business tax return, you will be asked the following questions. If you answer yes to the final question and your business has 2019 gross receipts of less than $25 million, your 2020-21 business registration fee and license fee due will be $0. The questions are as follows. Do you operate a restaurant or facility that prepares and serves food for delivery or carryout? Did any of the COVID-19 San Francisco health officer orders require your business to completely stop operating? Please answer yes, even if the closure was temporary. Did you receive more than 50% of your 2019 combined San Francisco gross receipts from business activities described in the two questions above? For example, if 70% of your 2019 receipts were from your hair salon and 30% were from your dog daycare and only the hair salon had to shut down, you would answer yes. If you paid the business registration renewal fee already, we will begin to process your renewal if you qualify. Additional relief was provided by the Board of Supervisors and Mayor to certain nightlife and restaurants. For nightlife relief, businesses with a place of entertainment permit that had gross receipts of less than $20 million will receive the following relief. 2 years of business registration and regulatory license fees will be waived, and 2020 payroll expense taxes will be waived. Eligible businesses should have received a letter from our office to let you know that you qualify, and you may have already received a refund. However, qualifying businesses still must take action by renewing your business registration or filing your annual business taxes by April 30th. Additional relief for restaurants is for businesses with a restaurant permit, including H24, H25, and H26 only, and that have gross receipts of less than $750,000. These businesses will receive the following relief. 1 year of business registration and regulatory license fees waived, and 2020 payroll expense taxes will be waived. Eligible businesses should have received a letter from our office to let you know that you qualify, and you may have already received a refund. However, once again, qualifying businesses still must take action by renewing your business registration or filing your annual business taxes by April 30th. Don't forget to take action by April 30th by either renewing your business registration or filing your annual business tax returns.